Good day, Mrs. Pilaton. I am Maria Erica Aracino, and I'll be presenting my report on Lev Vygotsky theory. Lev Vygotsky was a prominent Russian psychologist who revolutionized our understanding of learning and development, particularly in children. He is known for his sociocultural theory of cognitive development, emphasizing the role of social interaction and culture in shaping how we think and learn. Social cultural theory is a major argument that social interactions mediated through language is the key factor in the children's development. So, ang social culture ay social interaction ang language sa kang Lev Vygotsky nga theory more on sila diha kaya mga connected nga ang bata kuno maka-learn sila og language through social interaction. Ug nag-emphasize ni sila nga ang bata kung maka-learn sila sa kanang language o sa katawo murag cope up na nila sa ilang knowledge. Cultural context, the role of social interactions. So, Vygotsky emphasized the significance of social interactions in one thinking. Children learn from the more knowledge others, or MKOs, which include the parents, teachers, adults, and more advanced peers. So, ang bata ko, no, maka-learn sila through sa atong teachers, parents, kay sila may gatudlo nato. Kintahay ako, pagbata na akong mama, kinahanglan nagtudlo na ang sa ang pagkaon, or sa ang pag-istorya. So, there are 3 stages of speech development. So, first is the social external speech. So at this age, birth to approximately age 3. So ang kani, thinking is not related to speech at all. Instead, thinking is primarily form of image, emotions, and impressions. Kintahay kani yung bata. Kintahay mo lang imong duaan. Siya. Ang bata kay murag magkatawa man na si Jan niya murag malingaw or kanang itay imo pong kanang awayan or kasab-an maghilak ra pud na, and then through ilang image makita na sila, wow nga na din ng iro o na examples nga through sa kuan makaila sila unsa na sila bisag mga bata pa. Then number 2, the egocentric speech. At this age, approximately ages 3 to 7. So, children think out loud or talk to themselves. They are doing something. Kindahay, ang bata, si Jara usa nagduwa. Kindahay, ang track nga iyahang giduwaan, naguba. So, iyahang panghuna-huna. Hala, naguba ang track. Unsa ko naman ninaw, marag ijarang gihon na nga, unsa ko naman basig kasab-an ko or saan ko ba? Mo to ang egocentric speech. Then ang inner speech, inner speech is soundless speech or thought. Here speech becomes internalized and is used to guide thinking and behavior. It eventually lead to higher level and complex type of thinking. So, ang kaning inner speech marag nananis ka ng ages ka ng 8 to above kay ang bata marag nag-start na sila eskwela anja marag sila kaugalingong pangutok para mo decide kung unsay ilahang buhaton. Kinahay sa elementary makasuwat na sila, maminaw na sila kanang maestra nga, pero sila nagadyo, di na magkinahanglan sa ilang parents, kay napod sila role nga mahimo independent po sila sa ilahang buhaton. Then, the zone of proximal development or ZPD. One major features of Vygotsky's theory, illustrated by Wheeler, he argued that at any time children find difficulties in performing tasks or problems posed them as they are not yet matured enough to handle them. So, ang bata ko no po, kung sila find nga difficulties nga ilahang makon, di jud sila makahandle, di jud kay kanang bata pa man pud sila nga di pa sila kakuan unsay sakto nga decision sa usa ka butang nga ilahang dapat desisyonan. So ganit pud sila og guidance sa parents, teachers or adults nato nga makauban. The teaching implications of Vygotsky's theory. The theory of social-cultural learning has greatly influenced practices in facilitating learning. Vygotsky's theory promotes learning contexts in which students plays an active role in learning. So ang kaning theory ni Vygotsky makatabang jud sa kanang sa bata kanang ilahang learning ma-boost pa more complex pa ilahang learning. So ang teachers mo guide man sila nga para pud nila nga dapat hatagan nila ang bata og kanang mga activities nga masud jud sila sa ilahang panghunahuna. Then teachers can organize classroom activities in the following ways. So, instruction can be planned to provide practices within the ZPD for individual children or groups of children. Pwede po ka ng mag-instruct or plan good nga para ang bata murag gain of knowledge sa ilang individuals or groups. Then, scaffoldings provide hints and prompts and different level. Kintahay kung ikaw, bata pa ka, ang scaffolding, nagkuha ni mo nga, ikaw, gituluan ka sa imong papa nga, mulakaw. First, baru kung man iya pang ipa, kanang iyahang guidan. So, ang bata, makalearn na siya, ngani day para makalakaw. Kaya, aron na kuan, ang bata, siya kuan para makalakaw jud siya kung karon. So, number 3, cooperative learning activities can plan with groups of children at different levels who can help each other to learn. So, ang teachers, pwede po mag-provide og kanang group activities kanang para makalearn ang bata sa ilahang mga classmates or ilahang mga others kanang makahatag po sila og kanang mga ideas nga dapat po ay ngawa sa ilahang mga classmates. Moreover, Karpov and Haywood 1998 recognized that the curriculum to be developmentally appropriate, the teacher must plan activities that encompasses not only what children are capable of doing on their own, but what they can learn with the help of others. So, sa kuan ni Karpov and Haywood nga dapat kuno pod ang teacher mag-provide og kanang kung ang bata pwede maka-learn sa iyahang classmates. Kung ang iyang classmate pwede po maka-learn niya. So that would be all. Thank you, ma'am.